Hi, my name is Abdul. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Speak Swahili channel. And today we're going to learn about tense. So get ready to make sentences. Okay guys, as I've said before, today we are going to learn about tense, present, past. And then we're going to talk a bit about future and present perfect. I'm going to just touch it. But in the coming episode, we're going to talk more about present perfect and all its states and actions. But as I've said, here behind me, as usual, we have this side, singular, and plural on this side. So I'm going to just, Okay, so in our last episode, our last lesson, we talked about pronouns, personal pronouns and their prefixes. And here they are. You can use this without this, but you cannot use this without this. That's how it goes. Okay, so in present here, you only have to know this word, na. In the past, it's li. And in the future, it's ta. So in all these personal pronouns, when you use them, you only have to deal with these na for the present, li for the past, and ta for the future. Of course, we're gonna see some examples here, and through our example, you're gonna learn some new verbs and how to make sentences through those. Okay, let's go to the plural side. And the plural side, as we said, the pronoun as usual, sisi means we, ninyi is you guys, ninyi, and wow is they. Sisi is represented by tu, ninyi, you guys is represented by and wow is represented by wa. And of course, the same goes for the singular. In the plural, in the past, present, and future, we use the same letters. We use the same words. Na for the present, li for the past, and ta for the future. Of course, I talked a bit, I told you about present perfect, which is me. And in today's lesson, I'm not going to talk about this, but in the coming episode, you're going to learn more about me, the present perfect. Okay, so coming to the present right now, we have few examples. First of all, my first example, unaimba vizuri. Unaimba vizuri. You are singing beautifully. You are singing beautifully. Unaimba vizuri. As I've said, u here, is for you. Na is our present here. Imba is sing. The word imba is sing. Vizuri is beautiful, beautifully. You are singing beautifully. So u is here. And the second example is Nina soma kitabu. Nina soma kitabu. Nina soma kitabu. As I've said also here, ni is here. It's mimi, it's I, which is here. Ni. Na is our present. Soma is read. Soma is read. So, Nina soma kitabu. Kitabu, it's a book, as you've said in the second episode that we have no articles. You don't have to worry about that. So kitabu, it's book. And our third example, wanacheza. Wanacheza. Wa here, it's here. Wow, it's here. Wanacheza, wanacheza. Now, of course, it's our present. Na, wanacheza. Cheza is play. Cheza is play. And because it's na here, so it's present. And of course, in English, you have to move a bit far in adding these words or letters. Adding these letters. Okay, so wanacheza, they are playing. They are playing. Wa here is for they. Na here is here and play. And our fourth example, anakwenda kazini. A here, it's yeye. Here, it's yeye. Na, it's our present. And kwenda, it's going. Kazini, it's going. Working, it's going to work. And he or she is represented here, as I've said. Yeye, it's he or she or it. Okay, so unaimba vizuri. Unaimba vizuri. Ninasoma kitabu. Ninasoma kitabu. Wanacheza. Wanacheza. Anakwenda kazini. That's the end for our present examples. Now let's go back to the past, which is here. In the past, we have uliimba wimbo. Uliimba wimbo. Uliimba wimbo. So u here is you, which is right here. We talked. Li, it's our past. Wimbo, it's a song. So, u, it's you. Imba, because of time here, so this whole thing is here. The second example is nilisoma sana. I read a lot. I read a lot. Nilisoma sana. Remember, li is for past. The third is tulika chumbani. Tulika chumbani. We sat in the room. We sat in the room. Tulika chumbani. And the fourth example, mlijenga ukuta. Mlijenga ukuta. Jenga. It's built. It's a build, but it's because of past, it is built. Mlijenga, it's you. Yeah, sorry for this. And it's you. Like you. And the plural here. Ninyi, you guys. Mlijenga ukuta. Ukuta, it's a wall. Mlijenga ukuta. So, as you see some of the examples, I've tried to put different sentences, different plural and singular, and as you see the times, so that you can know different ways of making these, of seeing how these tenses are being created and how to use them as well. I didn't want to use the same example throughout because I want you to speak and not just to memorize. So I want you to see the different styles of these things. So I hope I'm gonna see you in the future. In the future, I'm gonna speak some Swahili. Okay, let's go to the future. In the future here, we have ta. The future here. Regardless, singular or plural, you use ta. Okay? So, utaimba leo. Utaimba leo. You will sing today. Utaimba leo. You will sing today. Nitasoma gazeti. Nitasoma gazeti. I will read a newspaper. I will read a newspaper. Wataruka, they will jump. Wataruka, they will jump. Tutaongea baadaye. Tutaongea baadaye. We will talk later. So here, u is you, ta is will, sing, imba. Today is leo. Today is leo. And ni is I, read is soma, soma is read, gazeti is newspaper, wataruka, they is wa, ta will, ruka, ruka, ruka. Ruka is jump, and tu is we. Tu, ta, tuta, ongea. Ongea is talk. Ongea is talk. Speak. Baadaye. Baadaye is later. So today I hope you learned some new words. Tutaongea, ongea, baadaye, ruka, soma, imba, gazeti, and many more. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. Remember those 3 words. Na is for present, li is for past, ta is for future, and me, present perfect, which is in our next episodes. It's gonna be pretty short because it doesn't have so many stuff, but I don't want to bring it in today's lesson. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment in Swahili if you may, or if you want to share more examples, please have it down there. And don't forget to click that ring button right there so that you can get more of these lessons from me, Abdul, from Speak Swahili, and I hope we are going to speak some Swahili. Baadaye.